One question we always get asked about our Elan Fairy Lights is, are they warm white or are they cool white? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Elan Dual Fairy Lights. Let's get into it. The Elan Dual Fairy Lights come in two different lengths. We've got the box of 100 LED fairy lights with a 10-metre string, and then we've got a box of 200 LED fairy lights with a 20-metre string. So let's open the box. So in the box we have the instructions, the lights, the solar panel, the stake, the wall mount, the screws, and finally we have the remote. So the first thing you're going to want to do is attach the lights to the solar panel. Whether you choose to wall mount your panel or stake your panel, you will need to insert the mount into the solar panel. At this point you could either use your screws to drill into a fence or a wall, or you can use your stake and stake it into a soft ground. Be sure not to force your stake into the ground, as you don't want to cause lasting damage to the product. These lights are particularly user-friendly because they include a remote control. This is how you're going to make use of those power-saving modes for efficient and long-lasting performance. You'll also be able to set up timers with this remote. You can choose between 4-hour, 6-hour or 8-hour timers. You can also use the remote to make use of the 11 lighting modes which are available with this product. Let's take a look at some of the lighting modes included. So to answer our earlier question, these lights are both warm white, cool white and dual white, which offers a nice blend of the warm and cool white options. To use this remote control, you'll need to remove the battery separator before use. Alternatively, you can use the mode button on the back of the solar panel to control the lighting modes. These lights also offer USB charging, giving you the option to charge your lights before an event or a party if the weather lets you down. You can find the USB port on the back of the solar panel. This panel will charge from as little as 3 hours from flat. Once the lights turn on automatically from the remote control or the back of the panel, they'll turn on automatically from dusk until dawn. As you can see, if I cover the solar panel, it tricks the lights into thinking it's nighttime and they turn on. These lights can be hung or wrapped around virtually anything, limited only by your imagination. Just make sure the solar panel gets plenty of sunlight and you're good to go. If you have any questions about this product, please do leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.